Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Then boys, we are on the way to a special location, and right now we're currently mobbing with 1 BMW, 2 BMW, and 3 BMW back there. Hi, DoorDash driver. All right, but yeah, we're currently en route. I'm sorry, we just freaking mobbed it, and I didn't record any of it, so my bad on my part.
Don't worry.
Fuck. All right, bet, let's go. I'm recording until my camera dies. So, hope you guys enjoy. Bro. That shit is so loud. Fuck, I can't take the goddamn corners. Ah! This fucking boat. jumps. Why am I bouncing up and down? Come on, man, lock in my life. This nigga Thomas is on my fucking asshole. Holy shit. Fuck you want me to go, nigga, the moon? Holy fuck. We're already going goddamn 120. Holy shit. These niggas drive like fucking no tomorrow. Let's see if I can cut in front of this bitch ass nigga. Give me a goddamn head start. Yep, right here. Good squeeze, nigga. Just like that. We end there. It's these two. There we go. Boom! We're in first place. Let's. Oh shit. What the fuck? Yo, this nigga's fucking driving like we're doing this shit for a trophy. Holy shit. We got LAPD right there. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Holy shit, bro. Nigga is like a chill pill.
They just drive their cars like they're meant to be driven.
Well, I don't want to go to jail though. That's the thing. My parents are gonna whip my fucking ass. Shit. Oh, hell no. Oh, don't scare me like that, nigga. I thought I was about to flip off the gun. But man, goddamn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is this camera? Alright. Holy shit! Why am I driving this like it's a fucking BMW? Ah, I can't fucking do that shit. What the fuck is that? Bruh. Yes! Yes! What? Whoa, why is this thing on my ass? What the fuck? I don't like this, mommy. Yo. Nah. Doing all that for no look, see? Stupid boy. Go, nigger. Holy shit. Is my camera still recording? Yep. Oh my gosh, I got all that. Oh my gosh. There's Thomas. Oh my gosh. Guys, we made it. Second place, boys. I'm not driving as recklessly as hit. Bro, he drive too fucking reckless, I'm not gonna lie. I'll take second place. I'll take second place. I'm chilling. All right, I'm gonna take first place now. Watch this. I'm cutting everybody off. Watch the method, watch the method. See ya. See shit. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. See ya. Why the fuck is hat not staying still, bruh? Oh my gosh. Yo. Smells like fucking engine oil and brake dust. And why does my... Bro, I'm low-key about to spaz. This fucking stupid Mopar. There's Thomas. So we're missing blue BMW. We're missing... Who else is with us? Was that it? KG's not coming, right? Nah, okay. So yeah, blue BMW, he's probably all the way. He was low-key pulling, though, right? Bro, low-key, what's going on with Bluetooth? Why my Bluetooth not working? Why my Bluetooth not working? Why is my Bluetooth? Alright. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video if you guys are enjoying the content. And 120 roll. 120 roll. Huh? 120 roll.
120 roll?
Yeah.
What the hell, 120?
Yo. What the fuck? 120 roll? I'm telling y'all boys, some BMWs do not want them fucking 120 rolls. I'm handing them out left and right like a lottery ticket. That shit low-key clean though, I'm not gonna lie. They're low-key growing on me. I low-key want a BMW now. They're so tough. Alright, I'll catch up boys later. Alright, boom. Alright boys, as you guys can see right now, we are currently heading over to Rodeo Drive. We have Life with KT over there. We got my boy. Up there in the BMW M4s. I'm not gonna lie guys, BMWs are low-key valid. Oh my gosh, my seatbelt, hold on. Oh my gosh, no way we're busting a U-turn. My turning radius is so ass. Just watch this. This is about to be a fucking 4-point turn for me. I cannot hit corners, bro, for anything. For the fucking life of me. I cannot hit corners. Alright, bet. We're Gucci though. Just cussing out. Bro, what are we doing, man? What are we do? What do we do? Oh my gosh, we're not all fitting, bro. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? Guys, we're low-key always like, I'm not gonna lie, we're low-key always, or I'm always on goddamn Rodeo Drive, bro, like dead ass. It's genuinely like crazy. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? Bro got his parking spot. What about us? What's up, brother?
Hi.
What's up, brother?
What the fuck are you wearing on your head?
POV drive for Quiet SRT.
That's like my friend the M4 is picking me up, so if you want to go cruise around, I don't know, let's fucking do something.
We're cruising around right now.
Really?
Where do I go?
Bro, we just gotta find parking on the side.
I bet.
Yeah.
I see you, you're right there. My friend's behind you in the fucking M4.
Wait, which one? The green one?
Yeah, the green one. I'm gonna hop in this car.
Alright, get in there. Like a good boy.
I'll see, I'll get fucking, dude, this, oh my, is that you? Who else is in your car? Who is it?
Just me.
Oh my god, there's so many BMWs.
Yeah, we're rolling deep right now.
Dude, there's so many fucking,
Don't keep-
yeah, he's right here.
Don't keep your pants.
Alright, later. Take this.
Good boy.
Alright, bye.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, bro. Like this guy. All pink Tesla is nutty. Holy shit. I'm gonna attempt to park right here. Good boy. We're parking.
Why are you parking?
Because we're parking?
Why?
Because
Why?
we're getting out.
Oh,
There's too many police. I'm gonna get pulled over.
alright, we'll see you around.
All right, bro.
Bye-bye.
All right, boys. We just parked up right now. Oh my gosh. Let's go, let's go. Take this off the clipping.